also fix lag in Roblox Mobile. Everyone knows that lag can be frustrating, but there are several things you can try to improve your gameplay experience. 1. Optimize your device by closing background apps. Free up your RAM by closing necessary apps running in the background. So, let me minimize this unnecessary app. So I'm going to close them, and that's it. The next thing I'm going to do is clear cache. Clear your device cache to free up storage space and improve performance. So there are 2 ways I can do this. I can simply go to settings, storage, and cache data, and then clear it. If you're using iOS, there's no direct cache clear option, so you start your device, it might help. But the way I like to get to it is I'm using Samsung. I will minimize, tap on the icon at the top, tap on app information, and then scroll down to storage, click on storage. You can see cache here, click on clear cache. It's as simple as that. The next thing you can do is you can restart your device. A simple restart sometimes is more than enough to fix simple glitches or temporal glitches and improve overall performance. Next thing you can do is to adjust your Roblox settings if all this doesn't work. How do you do this? Lower your graphics settings. In the in-game menu, you can reduce the graphic quality, disable shadows, and lower the resolution. This will reduce the strain on your device processor. If you're also playing on battery power, enable the optimize for battery settings in Roblox. This will also prioritize battery life over performance. Don't forget to improve your internet connection. Ensure you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Then avoid activities that may consume bandwidth, such as streaming videos or downloading files while you're playing Roblox. Then if that doesn't still work, it might be due to hardware limitations. So if you're using an older or less powerful device, upgrading might be necessary for a smoother Roblox experience. Ensure you have the latest version of Roblox app installed. Keep your device operating system updated with the latest patches and security improvements. Now, if you've tried all these steps and you're still experiencing lag, you might want to contact Roblox support for further assistance. They may be able to provide more specific troubleshooting advice or identify any server-side issue. I hope these tips help you enjoy a smoother and more enjoyable Roblox experience on your mobile device. See you in the next video. Bye for now.